Bonjour. How's it going? I haven't filmed anything in a little while on the vloggle front, so I thought I would come on and say hey, show you my new hair. I had it cut on Saturday. I'm not happy. I'm happy, but I'm not happy. Where I had it done, it was more of an older salon, should we say? And she curled it under, and I said, can we just do it straight? And she said, oh, don't worry, I'm going to run the straighteners over it. And then she ran the straighteners over it and curled it under. And no matter how many times I re-straighten it now, it just will not stop curling under. And I literally, when I walked out of that, I looked like Lord fucking Farquaad, like, so I need to wash it tonight, and then I'll be able to actually straighten it myself. So I'm happy with it. But yeah, she cut off. It's very short now, but it needed it. So yeah, I do like it, and it definitely needed it, but it's just not styled how I would like. But I need to wash it, and hopefully then it'll be okay. How are you all? What's been going on? I had a parcel today, and I thought I would come on and show you. It's a Revolution one. I only ordered a couple of little bits the other day. I only ordered this like 2 or 3 days ago. I can't remember what I ordered. I think I only ordered 3 things, but there was something I saw and I was like, oh, I want it. I can't remember what it was. So it's a surprise for all of us. Oh, I remember. Okay, so I ordered 3 things. 3. So the reason I didn't order was because of this. Oh, so pretty. I'll put the prices on the screen. And it says Midnight Kiss lipstick, smooth velvet finish lipstick with skull ring. I think I saw it on Instagram or something, but I thought it looked very nice, right up my alley. I completely forgot what I ordered. If I'd known I'd have ordered, if I'd have remembered I'd have ordered this, I would not have put lipstick on. So I may go and take my lipstick off in a second, just so we can test this. Or I might just test it, get some stuff and do a testing video. Oh my god, it's fully like stuck. There's like glue inside the packet, so it's just fully stuck in the packet. Oh, it's beautiful. Look. And then you've got a little skull on the top. Oh, she's beauty. Is there a skull? There is. There's a skull on the actual lipstick. And then this, I think, yeah, comes off. And it's a ring. Doesn't fit my big fat finger. Oh, it fits that one. How snazzy is that? I just thought that was really cool. Like, I thought that was awesome. It's an adjustable one, so you can like adjust it to fit. And it's just a matte black lipstick because, if you didn't know, I like black makeup. That's super cute. Let me go and wipe this off, and then we'll have a go with it and see what it's like. Wait there.
12 seconds later.
That is the best I can get it off without washing my whole face, and I can't be bothered to wash my whole face. So, a little look. The one I had on was a Fenty one. That looks quite nice. I'm really bad at lipstick. It feels, hello, I look like I've got a moustache. It feels really nice. It's going on nicely, it's not dry. I do find with quite a lot of black lipsticks, they're really dry. Like, better. Oh my god, I look like a French man. Feels really nice. I'm bad. I did say this is a matte one, but I am feeling like I want the gloss, so I'm just going to put my other one over the top of it again. This is what I had on the other one. This is a Fenty Vamps Who Brunch, and it's like a purple glitter gloss balm, and it just like gives it the shine. Which I very much enjoy. Delicious. But you can you can put that over anything. I put that over red sometimes, and that's really nice. So that was the. Did a cat just vomit? I'm not sure if I just heard a cat vomit. I'll go and check in a minute. So that was the reason I did the order, and then I saw this, which is a soap styler, and I am loving, like, I've been putting brow gel in and just fluffing them up. So we'll see. Dampen the applicator and swipe across the soap. Brush gently across the brows in desired direction to create a 3D look with or without water to hold brows in place. So, ooh. And it's just a little soap and a mirror. Here we are. And a spoolie. And then you just, with or without water. Let's just put a bit of setting spray on the spoolie. You could just throw it on the floor. Literally that 2 seconds it was on the floor, it's just now covered in cat hair. I'm not sure how I feel about the little tiny, I could probably use my own brow brush. It's all gross now. It's literally just full of cat hair. Gross. Well, as soon as you get cats, you just can't have anything nice. So swipe it across, and then it says to just, ooh, that is fluffing them up. It's probably really difficult for you to see that from there, but it is actually, because I don't do my brows anymore because I had them microbladed, so I just literally leave them, but I like to, I think you might be able to sit there on that one. It's fluffing them. They have already got brow gel in, so they're a bit crispier than normal, but oh, I like it. I like that a lot. I like that more than I thought I was going to. It's kind of one of those things I was like, I'm going to buy it and probably hate it, but I like it. I want to see what they're like when they've dried. And then the last thing I got was a Dewy Fix setting spray, because I'm currently using this NYX Dewy Finish, which is just a, but I wanted an aerosol, get off, I wanted an aerosol one. Morphe did one, but I don't know if Morphe are cruelty free or not, and it was really expensive, and then I nearly bought one when I was in Sephora, but then I wasn't sure if I'd be allowed to take it back on the airplane, so I didn't. Yeah, this is like a full, like a mister one rather than a, you know what I mean. Oh, it smells good. I have obviously already got it on, but oh my goodness, that smells so nice. What is that smell? I don't know. I'll put it on the screen what it smells of, and I'll put all the that's lovely. That's really, it's like cotton candy, like candy stuff. So and then with all setting sprays, I always just, that is very dewy. Oh, I like it. Yes. winning on that one. I'm very happy. 3 good. Oh my god, I've just sprayed my glasses. Can you see that? Whoops. I'm really happy with that. I very rarely buy myself makeup or anything anymore. I've just kind of been like using what I've got. But when I saw that lipstick, I was like, oh, I can't not have that. And I was showing one of my friends that I've got rid of so much makeup. It's unreal. Like, I'm just giving away so much stuff. So when I saw it, I had to have it. And then I just thought, well, while I'm here, I may as well get a couple of little bits. But yeah, still like looking through a cloud, but you can kind of see. Yeah, there's not really much to update on. The people buying our house are still buying it. They just haven't sold yet. So we're kind of just waiting. And we're not looking for anywhere until it's confirmed that they've sold, because we don't want to like find somewhere we love and then not be in a position. So, yeah, that's it really. There's not a lot happening. It's Aria's birthday 2 weeks today. And we did the girls' presents. We did the 5 presents rule for Mika, and we're doing the same for Aria. And we think we're going to do the same for Christmas as well. As if we're talking about Christmas already. Like, I know we aren't. I just said Christmas. You didn't. You might just literally second I said Christmas, just instantly turned off, and I wouldn't blame you, because it is September. But I'm very much like, as soon as Aria's birthday is done on the 10th of October, I am in like full, this bit's Halloween, but this bit is Christmas, trying to get everything ready. So it just feels like it's going to come around very, very fast. But yeah, I'm going to go and wash my Lord Farquaad hair, and I'll show you, let me show you what it's like when it's, ouch, ouch, ouch. So look, like I asked for like curtain bangs, which I haven't really got, and then she's just curled it all under, and I hate it curled under so much. Like, I can't stand it curled under. So I've just been wearing it half up, half down, but I need to, like, these bits, I just want them to go straight. But it is very short. But yeah, that is what we're working with at present. So I'm gonna go because I'm just rambling shit at you. Thanks for watching, I love you, bye.